In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog page in Wix. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, adding a blog to your Wix site is a great way to engage with your audience and share your thoughts, stories, or industry insights. So let's dive in and transform your site into a fully fledged blogging platform. First things first, you'll want to open up Wix. Head over to www.wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate your website on the dashboard and open it in the Wix editor. The editor is where all the magic happens. It's your creative control center, allowing you to design and customize your site just the way you like it. Next, we're going to add the Wix blog app, which is crucial for setting up your blog page. Look over to the left side of the editor, and you'll see an option that says Add Apps. Click on this and then use the search bar to look for Wix blog. Once you find it, go ahead and click Add to Site. This step is vital as it integrates the blog functionality directly into your site. Now, by adding the Wix blog app, you're automatically setting up a few essential features. Firstly, a blog page will be created. This is where all your posts will live and where visitors can browse through them. Secondly, you'll find a post feed which acts as an overview for your readers, giving them snippets of your latest posts to pique their interest. Lastly, and importantly, you'll have access to a post editor. This is your writer's workspace, where you can draft, edit, and publish your blog posts with ease. It's loaded with tools to make your blogging experience smooth and efficient. And just like that, you've got a blog integrated into your Wix website. Remember, a blog is not just a page. It's a dynamic space that grows with your content and ideas. So take full advantage of the post editor to craft engaging and insightful posts. The better your content, the more you can connect and resonate with your audience. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can begin sharing your stories, advice, and updates, broadening your reach and enriching your website. Keep exploring and enhancing your blog as you go, and who knows, your newfound blogging platform might just become the most popular part of your site. Happy blogging, and until next time, keep creating.